So how you extend your support?
माझ्या मोबायलाचेर हांवें पयले दोतोर म्हणटा की Tutor and some others were talking and that his vital signs were going down. And I got very upset because he's a young man, a Goan who's fighting for Goa. So his life is very important for us. So I've come specially to tell Viresh Borkar to take care of his health because we need him alive to take care of our Goa.
So what is the view of your supporting now? What is the advice to him?
See, whatever the causes that he's supporting, I am there supporting. Because I think what's happening to our Goa is not right. See, our Goa is a dot on the map. Okay, it is the tiniest state and it is one of the most beautiful states which has to be protected. And I think it's the responsibility of our government to take care of Goa, to take care of the nature, the ecology, the environment. Why is environment being taken for granted and permissions are being granted left, right and center? If forests, areas declared as forests are being reverted back so that construction activity can happen. See, the most important thing that we have to do is understand the size of Goa and accordingly decide how much Goa can contain to continue a beautiful life that we have lived. Things are happening which are not for the good of the people of Goa. If you look at what's happening in South Goa, for example, okay, talking about double track, what is happening? And now I believe the railway authority is asking for more land. Now if more land is asked, where is the second track going to land inside the compound of the houses? Will people be able to live in those houses? So what is the government doing? Trying to throw the people out of their own homes? Is this correct? And can we call this development? For whose benefit? So I request the government to please face reality, accept reality and act accordingly.
Madam, on your first term you also